In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that photographers say and do that absolutely ruin your photo shoots when you're working with a model. Stay tuned. Welcome back everyone to my channel. My name is Miguel Quiles. I am here in the studio today with AnnaGrace, and we're going to be sharing some tips with you today that hopefully will help you to not say something dumb that is going to mess up your photo shoots. And listen, I've done it before, okay? We've probably all done it at some point, but it needs to be said. So the very first thing that is on my list of things that you want to look out for is you want to make sure that you as the photographer are confident. Now listen, there is a lot of things that can go wrong in a photo shoot. Your camera might not be working, your flash may not be working. Was I panicking a little bit?
No.
No? It was pretty chill. Cool as a cucumber, right?
Oh God, that one's worse.
Because I'm gonna figure it out. Now, am I really gonna figure it out? I don't know, I hope so. But what's really important is that you have to be confident. Just generally speaking, you just don't appear to be confident. Your models are gonna see that and they're gonna look at you and be like, oh geez, they don't know what they're doing, right?
Here we go.
And will you give me your best looks if you don't think, see? So she's not gonna go there. She's not gonna give me her best if she thinks that I can't even capture it because I'm messing around with my equipment. So you must be confident. That is the first thing on my list. The second thing that's on my list is you have to communicate. Listen, the worst thing that you could possibly do during a photo shoot is just sit there, take photos, and be absolutely quiet the entire time. I imagine that you need to hear like something, right?
Anything.
Not crickets though. It's really hard because your models aren't going to know that they're doing a good job. So you have to communicate. You have to tell them what it is that you're doing. Maybe every so often you play back your photo, kind of show them, look, this is what we're doing. Good things like
feedback, suggestions, comments, anything.
Anything. Oh, that's awesome. Very good. Wow, I'll let you stand in front of this light. That will give them confidence and will make sure that the photo shoot continues to progress and that they give you their absolute best. In at number 3 on my list, mints. Make sure that you don't have stinky breath because, oh my gosh, that will ruin any photo shoot, all right? That's actually not really, but I'm gonna use it anyway because it really does mess up your photo shoots if you got dragon breath, so. All right, for real though. Number 3 on my list, don't be creepy. Don't say creepy stuff. If you don't know if you're being creepy, you're gonna have to check yourself. Maybe have a friend, family member, somebody sit in on your photo shoots to give you that kind of outside perspective. Biggest thing I could tell you is when you're communicating with a model, you want to kind of say things at them versus saying things to them. And I'm not sure if that's gonna make sense, but I'll give you an example. What you don't wanna do is, as you're photographing a model, is look at them and be like, oh, you're so hot right now. Oh, your body is so fine. I don't know, whatever random craziness. Change that word you to that, right? So you can say during a photo shoot to kind of build up confidence, hey, that looks great. That's amazing. That looks beautiful. When you substitute you for that, what ends up happening psychologically is they don't feel any longer like you're saying things to them, like in a creepy way. If they have any internal dialogue in their head that's telling them that my wardrobe doesn't look right or whatever,
that's it, I'm not going.
You squash that with your own encouragement and good words. So that is number 3 on my list, and also the mint thing. All right, let's talk about the 4th thing on my list, which is you have to make sure that you communicate your vision. Now, your vision doesn't have to be the greatest idea in the history of ideas, right? If you are doing a photo shoot and you have not communicated what type of looks you want, what type of poses, expressions, makeup, hair, they're gonna have a hard time feeling confident that they can give you what it is that you're looking for. Now, let's be honest, as photographers, sometimes we don't know what we want, right? Especially when you're starting out, you may not have any idea what it is that you want or what you're going for. Make it up. Pick something, stick to it, share it, because you can work off of that, right? Maybe in the midst of you shooting that, it's like, oh, I got this great idea. Maybe we could go over here and we can get some shots here, or maybe we can change up the posing, or maybe we can change the mood of the shoot. There's a million different things that you can do to kind of change things up if things aren't going the way that you want them to go. But you have to make sure that you communicate that vision or else your photo shoot is done. Number 5 on my list of things that you don't want to say or do in your photo shoots. TMI, right? Too much information. For those of you who don't know what TMI is, I've seen many photographers go into photo shoots on the tail end of just like terrible things happening to them, family members being in the hospital, pets passing away like minutes before the photo shoot. It sucks, right? Life happens, but you don't want to share those things in a photo shoot. You want to keep things professional because listen, if I got here and I told you, oh, you know, I just got back from the hospital and one of my parents is in the hospital, they got hit by a semi. Are you gonna feel like that's gonna mess you, like
that's gonna throw me completely off.
It's like game over for a photo shoot because now it went from like, hey, this is a fun thing, we're gonna get good photos. Now all of a sudden the energy has been squashed and it's really hard to overcome that at any point. Like how do you get over that? Like you can't like
come back from that.
You can't. Like at that point you're much better off just rescheduling the shoot for another day where hopefully things are a little bit brighter. Do not share all that kind of information, whether you think it's gonna be funny, whether you think it's gonna solicit some type of empathy from the person you're photographing. You don't need any of that from your models when you're working with them. What you need is great expressions, great poses so that you can take great photos. That's what you need, and sharing too much information, it's not gonna get you there. It ain't gonna work, all right? So listen, those are my 5 things, but I'm interested in hearing what your 5 things are. So do me a favor, leave them in the comments section below. I will read them and I will feature some of these in an upcoming video. And listen, while you're there, AnnaGrace needs some likes. She needs some follows, okay? All right, and so that's what we're here to do, okay? So I'm trusting in you as you're watching this video. I need you to head over to her Instagram page, give her a like on some photos, follow her. She's got some amazing, amazing images, some of which I might have taken, maybe. But don't worry about those. Just like the rest of them. Maybe like some of mine too, please. No, but anyway, subscribe to my channel while you're here, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.